Most alarms are designed to alert you of changes or an action on your part is required. Here are some common alarms and error codes. CL. Lid has been open for more than 20 seconds and control lock is activated. Solution: deactivate the control lock by pressing the soil and temp buttons at the same time and holding for 3 seconds. E1. Taking too long to fill with water. Solution: close the washer lid. Make sure hot and cold faucets are fully open. Check for inlet hose kinks. Check water pressure throughout the house. Disconnect inlet hoses and clean inset screens. E2. Washer takes more than 10 minutes to drain. Solution: close the washer lid. Check for kinks and clogs in the drain hose. Also check the height of the standpipe. E3. Washer lid open. Solution: close the lid or check to see if the lid lock has failed. E4. Washer is out of balance. Solution: stop the washer and rearrange clothes to help evenly distribute the load. Make sure the washer is resting firmly on the floor. Adjust leveling legs if necessary. Refer to your installation instructions to ensure shipping materials were removed. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.